The next modify tool that I will be discussing is the trim tool. Okay, can be found in the modify panel under ribbon. Okay, or simply you can type in TR and then press enter. Okay, so as you'll notice here, select objects to trim or shift select to extend. So uh, okay, I'll just cancel this command. Okay, so trim, and there is a drop down arrow here, so trim and extend, they are in the same key, similar with the rectangle, same with polygon. Okay, so I'll just select the trim tool. Okay, so select object to trim. So definitely if I'm going to move my crosshair here, okay, this arc or in this circle, you notice, okay, that arc, okay, that is after this line. Okay, you notice it will have an X icon in the crosshair. Okay, so if that means it will be removed or trimmed, or it will be erased. Like for example, I just select this one. Okay, okay, so the arc here is removed and it has been trimmed to a minor arc. Okay, similarly, trim is removing some excess lines or arcs or even any entities. Okay, like for example this one. Okay, notice that it has an intersection here. Okay, I wanted to remove this portion, it is an excess line. Okay, I'll just select that one. Okay, or simply notice this line, it is connected to this slanting line. Okay, and it is a closed boundary by this line here. Okay, this horizontal line below. Okay, so if I'm going to select this one, okay, it will be trimmed to that line only. Okay, so if I'm going to select this one, okay, it will be removed or it will be trimmed down. Okay, so I'll just skip the key, undo. Okay, now I'm going to use the trim tool again, then I'll press enter. Okay, then there are some options here. Okay, so I will be selecting the cutting edges. Okay, the rest you can explore them on your own. Okay, so I'll just select cutting edges. When you select the cutting edges, you will be selecting the counting boundaries. Like for example, cutting edges will be this line. I select this line. Okay, after selecting the cutting edge or cutting edges, I'll press the enter key. Okay, so under this cutting edge, okay, there are two options that you wanted to remove. It's either this part or this one. Okay, so if I'm going to select this one, this will be trimmed or this will be deleted, okay, or erased. Also, if I'm going to select this one, okay, this will be removed or erased. Okay, so I'll just select this one. Okay, then press enter. Okay, that's the use of the cutting edge. Okay, like for example in this circle, I wanted to create a major arc. Okay, by removing this minor arc here. Okay, so I'll just use the trim tool, then I'll select the cutting edges option in the command line, then select cutting edge. So probably the cutting edge is the line, so I'll just select this one. After selecting the cutting edge, I'll just type in enter. Okay, and then select the objects or part of that circle that you wanted to remove, like for example this one. Okay, and then I'll just press the enter key. Okay, so I could read this line and then enter, then this arc is simply retained, so I'll just okay, I'll just use the trim tool. Then if I wanted to select remove this excess line here, okay, I'll just select that one, also this one. Okay, so that I could produce a major segment here. Okay, also I could trim this one. I could simply select that one. Okay, about this one, that one, and this one. Okay, here. here. Yeah, so you need to explore the trim tool. Okay, like for example, if you draw a rectangle and then a line. Okay, so if I'm going to use right triangle, okay, so I could use the trim tool. Okay, simply I would select this one and that one. Okay, so this is a right triangle. Okay, also if you wanted to draw circle, that is tangent side here, like for example this one, tangent here and that one. Okay, so I'm going to trim that some of its parts. Like for example, I wanted to remove this sharp uh, corner here, so I just select this one and that one. Okay, also this one, that one, to produce a new object. Okay, so that's the use of the trim tool.